Bella, what'd you do today?
Outside.
And then what were you doing on the couch?
Back.
You were bare ass on the couch? Was it funny?
No.
No. Did you tell Mom you were bare ass?
No,
You did? Oh, you're silly. Where did you learn that word?
Sidewalk. Fall down.
You learned it on the sidewalk when you fell down? Really? That doesn't even seem right. Okay. So you had a good day? What else you do?
Outside.
Who was here looking at the lawnmower?
Oh, Papa.
Papa was here? What was he doing?
Mama.
He was looking at the lawnmower?
Mirror.
In the mirror?
Loud.
It was loud? When they started it up, it was loud? I love the story.
Like this.
Yeah.
Double. Like that.
Yeah?
Dad,
What?
like this.
Okay, I'm watching. Whoa! Dad, watch this. I love the story of you on the couch and you telling Mama.
Somebody had a bear attack.
Whoa.
See?
Love you. I love you.
Dad.
What? Oh, you're silly.
Fall
see-
down.
Yeah, can you say love you, Daddy?
See?
You what?
Avery.
Okay. What are you doing?
Little bit ass.
Bare ass? Honey, make sure you leave your diaper on. Hey, make sure you leave your diaper on,
Were
okay?
they in the driveway when you...
They went over to Spencer's.
I told them they had to come and eat.
Tacos for dinner. I love that story.
Does Avery